Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by with another video showing you what I created using a very old Tailored Expressions Key Ingredients kit. In the description box below I'll have linked the playlist where I have used these the last couple months. My friend Kristie and I decided to do like a little collab monthly because we both have so many of these wonderful Tailored Expressions Key Ingredients kits, but they've just been sitting and have not been used. So each month we've been using them a little at a time just to make sure that we use them. So this month I did the December 2010 kit. Yes, I'm very well aware that I hoard. It originally came with 12 sheets of cardstock, 20 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper, ribbon, brads, some little twinkles, which I think I took out of there a long time ago, and like a jewel picker type thing that I took out of there a long time ago. I've been using it bits and pieces throughout the years, but I am like ecstatic that I just have the ribbon because I tend to not use ribbon that much, but I'll hang on to it. The brads I didn't use, and just one sheet of full cardstock, and then some pieces, and this is all I have left of the pattern paper. I ended up making 10 cards with the rest of this kit, so basically this kit is done. This is like a milestone. I don't think I've ever finished off one of these kits. I feel like I should be out celebrating. So for my cards this time around, I kept them very simple, like super simple, because they are holiday cards, and I know that a lot of people don't like to have their holiday cards be very thick so that they can go through the mail easily. So I did a sheet load of cards for one set of them, and I will link all of that information below where you can get this printable for yourself. This is all the way back from August 2020, and it made 6 cards. And then when I got done with those, I was like, oh, I don't have very much. So then I just made the rest of them, and I kept them kind of similar to the sheet load. I did use this Christmas cheer stamp set from Craft & Kimmy. Unfortunately, it is no longer available, but I do really like the sentiments it had. And I feel like I probably made Kristie fall over. I finished a kit. I did Christmas cards, which I don't always do, and it was for the longest time I didn't do any. I'm getting better at that, and I didn't color on these cards at all. So I kind of made her fall over, and I can see probably Call Me Crafty Al's face is probably dropping too because I color almost on every card. But I had fun. So here are the cards that I made using the sheet load. Just Holly Jolly Holidays. So there's those. Thought that they turned out really nice. Like I said, I kept them simple. I didn't put embellishments on it so that they can go through the mail easily. On the inside, I did just use more of that pattern paper. I think there was one of them that I didn't have a full sheet of pattern paper, so I kind of pieced it. Yeah, that one, but you can't really tell. It's just a little itty bitty spot there. And then this one I made, it does have an embossing folder behind it, a snowflake one. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. Liked that one, and just very simple on the inside. This one, if you don't believe, you won't receive. Wishing you a joyous season filled with warm memories. And Santa Claus is coming to town. Ho, ho, ho. So there are my 10 cards that I created this month using an old Tailored Expressions Key Ingredients kit and, a sheet load of cards, and just using up those scraps. I'm super excited about this. Like I said, I think it's the first kit I've ever finished off. I feel like I should celebrate. Let me know in the description box below. Do you finish kits off quickly? Still have some in your stash? What's up with that? All right, until my next video, Thanks for stopping by. Have an amazing day. And I think I've said it. It's late at night when I'm filming this. If not, everything's in the description box below if you want to check out anything else. I will see you soon.